In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AutoSender Getresponse. We're going to walk through how to create a simple autoresponder, which is an automatic email that goes out to your subscribers without you having to send it manually each time. This is really useful for welcome emails, lead magnets, or any first-touch message you want everyone to receive as soon as they join your list. Once you're logged into your Getresponse account, start by going to the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Look for the option labeled Tools. Hover your mouse over it or click it, depending on how your menu is laid out. From that menu, choose Autoresponders. This is where all of your automated follow-up emails will live, and where you can see existing ones or create new ones. On the Autoresponders page, you'll see a button or link that says Create Autoresponder. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the setup screen where you define what this automatic email will do and who will receive it. One of the first options you'll see is the day setting. Set this to day 0 if you want the email to be sent immediately when someone joins your list. Day 0 essentially means send right away, as soon as the subscriber hits your list, without any delay. If you were building a longer sequence, you could use day 1, day 2, and so on, but for an instant autosender, day 0 is the right choice. Next, choose your linked list. This is the email list that will trigger this autoresponder. Make sure you select the list that people are actually subscribing to, such as your main newsletter list or a special list tied to a specific sign-up form. If the wrong list is selected, the right people won't receive your message. Now it's time to enter your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so keep it clear, relevant, and aligned with what you promised when they signed up. A straightforward subject like, "Welcome, here's your free guide," or "Thanks for joining us," usually works well. After that, click Design Message. Here, you can pick a template from the available designs or start from scratch. Choose a layout that matches your brand and is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Add your content, such as your welcome message, any links or downloads, and a clear call to action. When you're done, save the message. Finally, to activate everything, click Save and Publish. This step is important because it turns your draft into a live autoresponder. Once it's published, any new subscriber who joins the linked list will automatically receive the email you just created, starting from day 0. And that's all you need to set up an autosender in Getresponse.